Hi, I am Atanu. In this tutorial video, you learn the operations of the irrational number. So this is the series of the class 9 chapter 1 math number system. So first we learn the addition and subtraction of the irrational number. Addition and subtraction of the irrational number. You must remember addition and subtraction is possible in between the similar rational number, you can say. Means in between, it is possible in between a similar irrational number. What that mean? Okay, so means if I told you, you just add it, then what you can do, you just do the 2 plus 3 and take the common root 3. So this is 5 root 3. Clear? But if I told you 3 plus root 2, then it is not possible. It is not possible. You have to keep at it is. Okay, so only the similar irrational number is the addition or subtraction is done in between this coefficient. You know what is the part of the coefficient? This is the part of the coefficient. So you take common here 3 root 3 irrational part and you add the coefficient. Same thing is applicable for the subtraction also. So if I told you, you just subtract this value minus root 3, then you can do simply take root 3 common here, then 3 minus 1, that is 2 root 3. Clear? Is also possible, but same it is not possible if you just do it. For example, the above example, if you do the subtraction, it is not possible. Clear? With this concept, let's take one example how we can apply this concept for the reducing an algebraic expression into the reduced form with the irrational number. Okay, let's take the example. So it is root 50 minus 98. This is 98. Okay, 98 plus 162. What you have to do? You have to first you have to find out if there is any exist in the perfect square value in this. So factorization best, you have to do the some factorization. So you can do it 2 into 5 square. 5 square 25 into 2 is 50, and 98 you can do 9 means 7 square. 7 square into 2 plus 162, this is 9 square. Okay, 9 square into 2. Okay, so ultimately you get 5 root 2 minus 7 root 2, so then it is 9 root 2. You get the all similar irrational numbers with the root 2. Now what you have to do, we have learned that we have to take the common the irrational part and separate the coefficient. So these are the coefficient, remember, these are the coefficient. You have to separate with the sign. 5 minus 7 plus what, 9. Okay, so 9 plus 5 how much? 14. 14 minus 7, 7. So 7 root 2 is the right answer. Clear? So hope it is clear. You can solve any this kind of the problem. So only you remember, only you can subtraction and addition, it is possible within the like irrational number. Means where the irrational number is same, then irrational number are same, then only you can do the addition subtraction. Other value you can't do anything. Okay, clear? Next we learn the multiplication and division of the irrational number. So for this you first consider that the order order of the irrational number. What that mean if we write n root a multiply with n root b, so here actually this n is actually the order. Okay, n is actually the order, and when this order is actually the same and here it is same, so you can do the next step. Clear? You can do the multiplication. Okay, otherwise it is not possible. So it is very, very important. So let's take one example. Takes one question, that is 5 into root 32. It is not 5 root 32 by, we have to multiply by 2 into 3 root 81. Clear? This is the question. How you can answer it? So first you write the question into 2, 3, 81. Clear? So this is the answer. How you can do that? So 32 is what if we factorize it? So you get 5 into root 4 square into what? 2. Multiply 2, and here it is 81. 81 means what? 3, 9, 9. So you get actually 3 cube into 3. Clear? So you take 1 3 here and remain 9 into 3. So how many 3's are there? Total 4. 4 3's are there. So why I do this? Because we have learned that if it is like that, in eth power n we can write as a. Yeah, we have learned this concept. This rule we have learned. Then so we get 5 into 4, because root a square is equal to what? A. Clear? Into root 2 into 2. Here you get another 3 here, and you keep as it is. You must remember, don't forget this. This is very, very important. You keep as it is. Okay, whatever order is there you must write here. So 20, here it is 20, and here it is 6. So we get what? 120, and here it is root 2 and into 3 root 3. Now we cannot do this multiplication because the order is different. So order is here is order is 2 and here is 3, so it is not the same. So what you have to do? So we have to take the LCM of order 2 and 3. So you already learned that why it is 2. Already I told you that root 2 is meaning 2 root 2. Is it clear? So here actually the order is 2, so you have to take the LCM. So LCM is what? 6. Next what to do? 120. And now how we can change into the same order means, here if I put, you must remember this, then you must write down here what? Just a minute, sorry, we have to consider LCM, actually the LCM 6, and here what you have to do? You have to write down the because you have considered the 6, then you have to add the 3. Why? It is very, very important concept, because root 2 means, already I told you, 2 root 2. Now if we multiply here, you must remember this, we multiply here, So what you have to do, you have to square it the same value. You multiply 3 here, 3, and same thing you have to do here also. Okay. Why? Because look at this, here it is 6, right? And you write down to the power cube means what? If you keep the 2 as it is, then it will be what? 3 by 3. Then you get 2, and you get next what? 3 by 3, that is 1 a root 2. Means ultimately you write root 2 as 6 root 2. This is very, it is not that much complex, but only you have to consider that root 2 meaning that 2 root 2, then only it is possible. So you can convert it easily. What that mean? I just give you one simple example. If you write, take the common actually, if you write for example a square, sorry, n a, n root a, and if you want to change it something, means if you want to change n into m, if you do this here, what you have to do, you have to square with this, whatever extra you have multiply here, you have to square it. Why? Because if you simplify this, you keep n here, and another thing you can do that, that is m e to the power m. Now we just try to understand it. Then what you can do, this thing actually, this thing means what? Means n a m by m is equal to n root a. So we get the same value. Clear? So actually this is the rule. You have to follow this rule, then only it will be easy. Otherwise there will be very chance to do any mistake. Clear? So now if I root 3 root here, if I put 6 here, then what you have to do, I already told you, what extra value you multiply, you have to just inside this value you just put it into the power, okay, exponent. So it will be what? 3, you just how many multiply here? 2. So you just put 3 square, 8 into 9, so you get the what? 72. So 8 into 9 to 72. So what value you get? 126, 8, and here you get 6, 9. So now you can apply this formula, apply this rule. This is the rule of multiplication. When the order is same, you can combine it, okay, that is the rule. So now it is possible to combine because we get the same order. So this is the 120, here will be 6, and inside 8 into 9. Okay, so ultimately get 126, 72. So this is the right answer. So with this concept you can answer any kind of this question. Another way you can solve this, you can say this is the hashtag AD method. Okay, so let's simplify this. It is actually the same question, same above question. Look at this, 5 root 32, 5 root 32, and 5 root 2, and by 2, 3 root 81, 2, 3, 81. Okay, clear? So first you write the question, that is 532 and into 2, 3, 81 Okay, so what you have to do, you just do the simplify this. This is 4 8 ja 32, so it will be what, 4 square into 2, 4 square into 2, 16 2 ja 32, clear. And here 3 cube into 3, because 81 is equal to 9 into 9 is equal to 3 cube into 3, clear. Next you get what, 4 into 5 into 4, and here it is root 2 into, here it is 2 into 3, and here it is 3. Okay, so 20 and 6, 120, and the irrational part is root 2 into 3 root 3. Next step, what you have to do, you know that this mean that 1 by 2, and this mean 3 to the power 1 by 3, clear. Then see, here we can do anything because we know some rules. The rule is multiplication rule. If it is am and an, you can do what, a to the power mn. It is possible. Bracket not required, simply a to the power mn. It is possible because the base is same. But if the base is not same but power is same, okay, power is same, a to the power b, you can write b to the power m, then you can combine it as a to the power b and power m, clear. You can do this. Same rules you can apply here, clear. So either this or this, so we can't do anything because here base also difference and power is difference. So what we can do, we just LCM this 2 and 3, and we can do this. This is 3 by 6, and here we can do the because LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6, clear. Then 3 to the power, here it is 2 and it is 6, clear. Next, another rules we know that if it is a to the power mn, we can write as a to the power anything. We can write a to the power m to the power n. We can write this. It is possible. So we apply this formula, this rule, this one, that is 2 to the power cube to the power 1 by 6, and here 3 to the power square to the power 1 by 6. I think it is most convenient method. Okay, then what to do? What we have to do? 120, 8 to the power 1 by 6, and here it is 9 to the power 1 by 6. Now look at this. So m actually any numbers, natural number. So here the power is actually same, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6, power is same. So we can apply this one. Is it clear? So 120 into 8 into 9 to the power 1 by 6. So 120 into 72 to the power 1 by 6. So 120 6 72. Is it clear? We got the same answer. Check it. 126 root 72. Correct. So this way actually. Otherwise, look at this here. It is quite difficult. What we have to do? Here we have to consider 2, but here is nothing is written here, so we can do a lot of mistake. So why it is cube when you consider 3? These kind of things can be some confusion. This step actually creates some confusion. Confusion step. Okay. So if you handle this confusion step, then it is okay for you, this method. And if it is not, you can follow my method also. You get the full marks. Clear? So one thing actually, remember this all. all rules actually, otherwise it is not possible to do the calculation. Next we learn the division. Okay. For the division also same rule is applicable, that is if the order is same, okay, if the order is same of this irrational number, that is here b, so you can write as the a by b, that is n. Actually you can apply this formula, apply this rule actually the another way, that is to think that is a to the power n root a and n root b as a to the power 1 by n and b to the power 1 by n. So we know that if the base is different but the power is same, so we can do, already we know that, so means ab to the power n. Is it clear? So this is the alternate way you can remember this. Otherwise this fast method is actually little bit difficult like this, but if you apply this again for my rule to simplify this, and actually I always follow the simple rules to solve any kind of question, otherwise it will be very difficult. See, if you follow the difficult step, then you never get the extra marks, you remember this. But logically you are correct, and for the physics and mathematics, then you get the full marks, and actually there is no wrong about this. So better you choose the easiest method, so that you can avoid the mistake, or you have to too much concentrate on some difficult step. It is not necessary. So here also we can directly I'm following the AD rules, hashtag AD. So let's start this, take one example, that is the question given, for example 6 root 12, and you have to divide by root 3 into 3 root 2. Clear? How you can do that? So you just first write the question. So this is the question and this is the answer. Okay, and here it is 3 root 2. Clear? Then what you have to do, you just write the numerator denominator side, that is root 3 into 3 root 2. Is it clear? Next what you have to do, so this is 6, and you factorize it 3 into 4. Okay, and here you can write root 3 into what happened, root 3 into 3 root 2. Okay, next step is, you know that you can simplify this, already you know, when the power is actually same, means a to the power, what that mean, ab to the power n, you can write as a into b, you can write, or you can remember this like n into b to the power 1 by n, means when the base is different but power is same, you can do this. So this is what, to the power 1 by 6, directly you can write, and here it is 2 square 2 by 6. Clear? And here it is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, next step is actually what, so here it is, keep it is 1 by 6, and here it is 2 to the power, you can simplify this, here is 1 and this 3, so 2 to the power 1 by 3, power 1 by 3. Clear? So 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 3. So you can cancel out each other, this one the same. So then what value we get, 3 to the power 1 by 6 by 3 to the power 1 by 2. Now we check it, you already know that if the base is same and power is different, base is same, power is different, so for the division we know that. So you have to remember all this rule, And how you can remember? You simply you do the lot of practice, then only you can remember easily. Okay. And also you can keep this all rules in your some diary, and you just before start this exercise, you look into this daily, then automatically you can remember. So then, so next what you have to do, just 3 to the power this is 6 and 1 minus 3, that is 3 to the power 2 by minus 2 by 6, and it will be minus 1 to the power 3, and you know that this is actually you can write like this. Okay, so 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 3, so 3 root 1 by 3 is the answer. Clear? This is the end of this video. Next video we learn the rationalization of the monomial and the binomial irrational numbers. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comments below or connect in my WhatsApp and join my Telegram channel also. Please subscribe and share this channel to your friends to appreciate my effort, and also press the bell icon so that you get the notify when I upload the new video. You can join my online class also with affordable fees for more clear your doubts and practice, and from practice from the basic to advanced level. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.